Hello everybody, it's me Kusal, and in this video today we will be coding our first API using Python. So what I plan to do is use VS Code and Flask to make our API. So we will first start by sharing the video, of course. So if you can see me the screen share, you can see I have opened a VS Code. But the first thing you need to do is install a virtual environment so that we can work in that virtual environment. It will not affect our entire operating system in case of error. So we are going to the Python 3. Let me do, I just did it right now. So Python m when. I usually do Python 3 in Linux systems. This is Windows system. We need to do this. So this will create a virtual environment in this Windows system. May take some time. Now the virtual environment is created. Now due to the new policy of Microsoft, we need to do this thing here so that we can activate the virtual environment. Some people may not have this issue. I do. Now the simple thing is to just activate it. You can use the file activate. You can either manually go inside and do, or do it like this. Now our virtual environment is activated. Now the next thing we need to do is install Flask, of course. Pip install Flask. Now this will install Flask in our operating system in this virtual environment. Now Flask is installed. Now we can start coding. So let us first create a file. Let us just call it app.py. So we have created a Python file, a regular Python file called app.py. Now let's start writing our Flask application. So first of all, we need to import Flask. So we're going to import Flask from Flask. Oh, I did that. From Flask import Flask. Now we need to make a variable app. So this variable is actually an object which will be initialized by the Flask, and it will take in as an argument in this constructor name of the file. So now app is actually created. Now what we need to set up is the routing of the app. So we use this by using this decorator app.route. We just provide the URL here. Now for this decorator we need to provide a function so that function may run when this route is accessed by the browser. Now it's like def example. So this is just an example. This is function. Now we just say return. So let's just say for this example we return a paragraph saying hi everyone. This is just a simple HTML tag. Now our code Flask application is written. We have actually created our first API. So this is a very simple API to just get the concept clear. Now how to run the Flask app. So first of all, I need to set up my environment variable. In this system I have to use something like this. So now I just need to set up run Flask. Okay, so I did the other way around. Flask run. So the API is created. Now this link has been created. It is a localhost link with port 5000. So let us open this link and see what happens. Hi everyone. So this URL gives us hi everyone as a return value. We can pass multiple return values, and in the next videos we will see how to do so.